Yes, now welcome. Still for the matter, as it concerns EPL, we don't enter studio again to give now all the latest from the world of football as it happened over the weekend, plus even the ones that will happen for from, we will still try to talk about them. Welcome once again. This is now Football Republic matter on top EPL, and I did with the Republikans inside the studio with me. First on the list, I did with Jovita, aka Jovita.
Hello.
How your body? How your day?
We did fine.
Correct. And also we did with Laba Master Buchi himself. Himself follow the inside studio. And then Moku sharply enter the matter, and we go start from El-Classico as Real Madrid. They go from like better, go allow Barcelona to beat them for inside Santiago Bernabeu. But the bad news, Sexy Joe, now say Barcelona beat Real Madrid, though, but they no close any gap on. Like 12 points difference still there between them and Real Madrid, though. But the fact now say Ancelotti use him out, come apologize to the fans, say he make mistake for his tactics. In fact, at a point in time, he been second half, he been played 3 at the back. When they scored the third goal, he changed up to 4 at the back. More or less, he was confused.
First of all, true, go talk say Barcelona no really close any gap, but at the same time, na moral booster and be this game for them because say na trying period for Barcelona and when Xavi come, people like say things come pick up and they begin to win games. So their last 5 games now are so winning. Even for Europe, then they do well these days. But for Ancelotti, every day no be Christmas. Now waiting, I just get to talk with that one. Every day no be Christmas. Sometimes you get it right, and sometimes you go to say they get them right. I feel say in a way they underrate Barcelona, probably because of the issues that Barcelona they get, and they come back. From 9th position to 3rd position now. Easy. Sometimes psychologically their head fit no correct, but then shock Ancelotti and an eye opener for Ancelotti say true they feel no close gap, but at least in a way they don't show others say they don't come back to form. So Ancelotti still get a lot of work to do. No be say this Real Madrid team they like 100% safe, but they just they hustle and they pay them. But the earlier then keep their hearts together, the better for them.
And plenty of people Buchi talk about saying that Benzema no play, and cause Real Madrid to play like this. And they wonder whether na Benzema and go defend for Real Madrid for all those goals with them chop, because you look the way they used to chop the goals first from right wing of Barcelona attack, left side of Madrid defense, Nacho. Twice, then cross ball put inside. In fact, not even twice, so many times balls them enter inside the 18 yard. And people they talk say Benzema will no play now cause them. Now Benzema no go defend first off. But for me, I feel say that defense na very kekeyable defender we see yesterday for Madrid.
Now only person we mix Gogoro we snap. Now you go talk say because Benzema no play make Real Madrid.
Now what's where they talk? Most people.
They know. I don't want to say they no get sense, but their football knowledge is 0.2.2. Yesterday, Barcelona. The best team in every way. Imagine say he scored 4 goals and Madrid goalkeeper say man of the match. So show you say he still make some saves.
It will be 7.
Don't even deny Barcelona. Barcelona just come through in a way I don't even expect. Because I expect them to use their relent more because they play Europa League. They just come back Spain, immediately travel, they go Spain and go Madrid to play this game. So this is not very honestly bad game. And if you observe Madrid honestly and simple, Madrid really play the best of football. They get results. They play like it's just like they get 3 points anyhow.
They
but not
struggle
really,
to get those points.
Not really play fantastic football. That's why me I shock with PSG. You see PSG bring their A game. Honestly, they do for the first leg. They spoke flog Madrid, but PSG they sleep too much. And Barca right now they come back to their tiki-taka kind of system. And Xavi don't get some kind player to help them do. First thing do win the midfield. Madrid, you don't win everything. Make the midfield look ordinary. I don't win everything. Barcelona totally dominated the midfield. Look how much you can they play first 9. I think I'm not wrong job.
Very tactical nonsense.
I don't know how you go play Modric first 9. Modric spot in your middle.
Actually, no be first 9. He play for 10.
You can go front too much
because they allow Cruz and Modric. They play as the pressing forwards.
It makes no sense. So that way,
I don't understand.
They're supposed the middle to control the middle. So
the middle to come open.
You can't get that young wizard, Pedri. That boy is a devil.
You can't
get that boy. I can't get Frecky the young. This boy is confident. Jacques Busquets, fantastic player. So space come there for the wings. But Torres and Dembele, Bola can't use spaces was too much, and Barca can't explode that space. Even Xavi talk say, expect the game to be very, very easy.
Say very simple.
I think Don Carlo need to do so many things.
No, they go sack him.
I like Don Carlo.
They sack him.
But you know, say man, they don't be about getting the points. If the fans don't go against you,
you know they play
if
well.
the fans don't like you,
the team know they play well. That's one first thing. Secondly, the way you struggle if they don't get Benzema, they show say more or less you build the team around Benzema, and if Benzema no play, you know if you do anything.
The same issues where we say happen where Ronaldo did there, and when Ronaldo come out, we see the struggles. Where Real Madrid still struggle before they get themselves small.
As Ronaldo come out, they still get Bale, we still there in form at that time. They still get Benzema, they still get players then where Ronaldo come out. But now you get Eden Hazard, where we say I don't remember the last time where Eden Hazard played. He did for bench all through yesterday.
He's a wizard.
You get Jovic, where sit down for bench all through yesterday. Instead of where you go play one of these guys as your striker, you can't go they play Modric and Cruz as your pressing nine.
Let it be on record that me and Sergio are good people.
I don't understand.
Because your team lose, we don't even ban you. We don't even take you. We just they analyze.
No, me and they analyze.
No, we just they analyze.
Whether you ban me or not.
You, Arsenal, lose, anybody lose.
Buchi, there's a
your
difference.
Voice go loud. No, I tell you
there's
now.
There's a difference
Give
between
yourself yellow card.
A man who is sitting on top
yellow card
of the table.
Give yourself yellow card.
Real Madrid, they on top of the table. Real Madrid, they no quarter final of the Champions League.
You want banter
me? They're not going you.
It's not a question of whether they get top of the table.
Bring it on.
You see this win.
This win.
We are
Republikans.
Barcelona
They
win
sit
now.
down for number one for table.
He go ginger
They
the rest
Champions
of the
League
teams
quarter
against
final.
Real Madrid.
No. Bring it on. No.
Give me that
Give yourself
yellow
yellow
card.
card.
You are bunko.
We pity you.
I don't give you yellow card. Red card. We don't go get Madrid. You go finish the show.
No, bring it on.
No, we pity you.
Bring it on.
Just take it for today. We are pity you.
Men are bring them on.
Take a easy on
Hey,
them.
I don't
When
die.
somebody lose
After
like this.
I don't die.
We get conscience.
Take hearts.
It can't be club. It can't be
Own
club.
house, then collect woto.
It can't be club. We
They
won't
slap
batter me.
the
He be Arsenal.
4-0.
Arsenal.
So fast can they cry?
4-0.
Yes, moving on. These guys are not get mouths. If anybody won't even ban, no be Arsenal fans. No be Arsenal fans.
At least we get mad
City
today.
versus
You shop
Liverpool.
Abi, no shopper.
Sexy Joe, City versus Liverpool for inside the FA Cup semi-final. They do the draw on Sunday evening. And the sweet thing, the reason why they talk about this now, are based on say two of them still they fight for the other two titles apart from the FA Cup.
Yes.
Premier League, they are 2 day neck to neck. Champions League, more or less, they are 2 feet jump for final if they follow their paths all through to the final. The truth be say, we go see blockbuster, and they are 2 go still play for Premier League match.
Yes. Exactly.
I think get one more game.
Blockbuster
They get
between
one more
Pep
game,
Guardiola
that's
and Jurgen Klopp.
In fact, are they speechless
you are
when it
lost for
comes to?
words.
They tell you when it comes to these two sides
They have
because
swept you off your feet.
they don't change. They don't change the way we say people take they see the Premier League. People take they see all these cup matches. You understand? Because before you see some big teams, they don't care about the cups. They pursue Premier League, then they pursue Champions League. But now everybody they pursue all the whole cups. They don't win the Carabao Cup, and they talk about Liverpool, and now then they the FA Cup. That one self show you say then through semi-finals. That one self show you say then really pack come. And Man City too, no they relent. And now 2 of them go come jam. It's just like when Chelsea and Liverpool been play, and we see how that one take end. At the end of the day, almost everybody nearly play penalty. If no be Nanyuku or Rizabalaga, where does decide say no one score that day. So it go be a very, very tough one. But one thing was with me be say they don't redefine the meaning of all these cups. They don't redefine, say, look, whether na small cup, whether na plastic cup na cup. We fight to the end. And that one totori me.
And but you're redefining the aspect of say the challenge for FA Cup, the challenge for Carabao Cup. Manchester City, Pep Guardiola never win FA Cup since when he come England.
At all.
That one now one of him cups will be saying go the target. Apart from that one too, say this is another chance to show Liverpool say now maybe your guy for inside England. Based on the fact say yes, in the top table right now, and more or less then gets players too. We say normally the fee stand with Liverpool any day, anytime.
Any day, anytime. The 2 squad get massive squad depth, and also then get good managers. This now very, very tough game. These people to also win for the Champions League too.
Yeah, the
meet
final.
Premier League, meet everywhere. So that to make sure say at least they dominate in every way. You know if you look, I'm just saying now this person go win. You know if you look at this person go win. because the match logically just did very tough. I think those people in England, they planned this thing. There's a bit planned in the long run.
Now 4 people they
because he gets some.
Now 4 clubs they remain.
He gets some fixtures. No, Timi understand.
It's either Man City meet
Timi Madrid fans wait now.
Or
wait
Liverpool
now. Make
meet
I
Chelsea.
explain now.
Why you
Make I explain.
No explain. Not to say they set them up.
Make I explain. I say it be like.
No be say no they talk say it be like.
It be like say they set them up.
Now 4 clubs remain.
It be like yes 4 clubs, but it be like say they set them up. I will not stop
it. Buchi they talk be say be like say then they plan as well. These guys go everly jam one way or the other, and not true.
Moving on, Chelsea go play Crystal Palace for that other semi-final for inside the FA Cup.
No right of Palace.
Chelsea go win the FA Cup.
No right of Palace.
Chelsea go win the FA Cup.
Really?
Show me.
If City enter final.
Leave City. Chelsea go win. Chelsea just get this extra motivation.
Well, we wish them all the best of luck. And still talking about wishing luck, Arsenal get luck on Saturday to beat
Arsenal get luck. Arsenal get luck.
1-0 na luck for me.
Arsenal get luck. Why don't 1-0 against Real Madrid? I know Barcelona.
If Madrid
1-0.
beats Osasuna now, 1-0, you go talk say,
who you play?
They kept
Go check the
prepared.
statistics.
Who you play?
Go check statistics.
Arsenal don't lose to all the big teams for inside this.
So therefore,
so you they talk say
Leave
Arsenal.
big team or
Arsenal,
no
wait,
big team, no be the same Premiership then.
Wait, Sexy Joe. The point why they try and make me say Arsenal win 1-0 against Aston Villa. So they struggle to win that match. And then they lucky.
Struggle to win that match.
All the 3 points. Yes.
Struggle to win that match.
Yes.
Aston Villa only shot on target come for the 90th minute.
Oh.
They are only shot on target come for the 90th minute.
When you score your own goal. When you score your own goal.
Timi.
For the 30th minute.
Whether na one goal.
First half.
Why don't you score more goals?
Hits the post. Goalkeeper make like 3 or 4
Why don't you
saves.
score more goals?
Football very funny.
Which one?
This completely goes
Get you 3 points.
Yes.
One look for other
1-0
goals.
don't win champion. Chelsea 1-0 win champion against Manchester City. What are you telling me?
Arsenal.
1-0 be 3 points.
Must you score?
You know who score one goal against Barcelona at the top?
Imagine
Arsenal
one goal
use
is
luck.
enough.
You score one
Whether
goal.
na
Leave a lock.
3 points na 3 points.
3 points. Leave 'em.
Yes, okay.
But at least
But I don't
don't
agree.
score anything.
3 points.
4-0, no be
No,
3
one goal
points.
don't score. But your house don't score one goal.
You sure say shot
Your house
together.
you get clean sheet.
Are you done? Are you done?
You get clean sheet.
Are you done? Okay. Arsenal get clean sheets.
Fast they cry. They don't like to black.
Are you done with your laughing?
Let's go.
You don't do okay.
Champions League Arsenal is coming.
Bam.
Yes.
The return of
We
Arsenal.
don't follow a job. Arsenal are very unfortunate. We know. We don't get sense. We know.
They are
We
fortunate.
know.
What
But we are coming back.
They are
Why
fortunate.
you go
We are
Champions
coming
League?
back.
No, why you go Champions League?
I'm going to win Champions League next season.
No, I don't understand. You don't
Chebe
qualify for
Ateta
Champions League.
promise.
This year, he showed me that.
You don't qualify for Champions League.
This Arsenal
Don't
win
worry.
champion next season.
Eh?
Watch.
Champions League.
You don't even win that for your life.
Arsenal don't beat it for your
He
house.
gonna
I
shock
beat
you.
Madrid for their house.
You win
No,
them.
no, no, no,
Thierry
no.
Henry, remember?
Chelsea is beating Madrid. They're not going anywhere. They're not going
Thierry
anywhere.
won't dribble from the Perez.
Buchi.
Everybody for Thierry Henry.
Arsenal never
That's
win
fraud.
Champions League since how many years?
I don't win
Them
13.
go win
I don't
am.
win
Now
13.
one day they
13
go
FA
take
Cup.
Even Europa League, you enter final.
They
you
I
don't
don't
win.
win 13
Now
FA
one
Cup.
day.
You are doomed and
Team is
cursed.
about numbers. I don't win 13 FA Cup.
Move on.
You don't win FA Cup for?
13 FA Cup.
Yes,
I don't
history.
die.
You don't know. Cup will be cup.
Yes, now that's
Come
cup
on
now
for
cup. Even this cup now
When
cup.
last you win Premier League?
You know-
When last you win Premier League?
It doesn't matter.
It
Talking
doesn't
about now.
matter. It
I'm talking about
doesn't
now.
matter.
When last you win the FA Cup?
It doesn't matter.
When last you win the
matter.
FA Cup?
13.
But at least the winner.
Talking about Arsenal, Aston Villa, good one for good win for them. They get luck with that match based on the fact, say, they still get one game, in fact, 2 games in hand against Chelsea and also Tottenham Hotspur. But for Arsenal, Buchi, you got stuck, say, like it or not, against big teams, they win. But against a smaller team, they pick the points.
Talking about big team and small team, like I talk, whether you like them or not, Arsenal are the same level. Whether with Chelsea, City,
And they make bad against Real Madrid.
Get the point. Get the point. In terms of players' quality, Arsenal are their level. In terms of coaches, to that be honest, too, when you tell like Arsenal for, you lose against the big boy, you know, reach like 3. Then you beat the small boys. The teams where they beneath you. If Arsenal lose, imagine say you won't win league. If Man U or Liverpool they top, then lose against the big boys. Beat the small, automatically they win league. So it's about getting 3 points at important time.
Yeah.
So when you get those 3 points, you call out Champions League, you go a step further. So Arsenal now still they build. So I don't get issue with losing against the big boys. At least losing against the small boys. Get full point. Arsenal lose home against Liverpool.
apart
Beat
from
Aston Villa.
that-
Now
It's
this-
the process.
Now this building, I want to go Champions League.
Apart from
Yes,
that,
yes,
Timi, apart
yes.
from that one, the most important thing be say, shebi na the same Premiership, shebi na 20 teams dey there. Whether you beat the big boys or you beat the apprentice, the most important thing there
3 points.
na to get the 3 points
Thank you.
and remain for better position to play the Champions
And
League.
Sexy, you're talking about the big boys because the reason why they talk about the big boys, now say Tottenham Hotspur themselves win their match against West Ham United. Now, if you compare their their fixtures, their matches, then we go where they towards the end of the season. Arsenal still get big games to play, then get Manchester United to play away. No, sorry, for Emirates Stadium. Then get Chelsea to play away.
Tottenham away.
You understand? They get West Ham to play away. They still get Tottenham Hotspur too away. Don't forget, say Newcastle too. They go still play Newcastle where they come back from more or less relegation battle where they fight. So you want to say for Arsenal, in as much as say yes, they get matches against the big boys, against the smaller teams. The big teams, them, they get points against them.
It doesn't matter.
Cause for worry.
It does no. Cause for what?
Worry what?
You worried?
Are we from worry?
I'm worried.
No, Sexy Joe.
No.
Sexy Joe.
No cause for worry because this is football.
Sexy Joe, Man City, Manchester United, Chelsea, Liverpool, all of them don't beat Chelsea, Arsenal this season. So which one be no cause for worry?
There's no cause for worry.
Thank you.
Okay.
Every team, just like Barcelona. Nobody expected Barcelona to beat Real Madrid 4-0.
So but Arsenal
As
will
far
win.
as Arsenal go shock you, then go get possible
15 points.
More than 9 points from those games.
15 out of
Mark
10
am one
points.
place.
And but you talking about Tottenham Hotspur, their run of games. Now them get the cheapest run of games pass. And they look their game Newcastle now they see here and maybe Liverpool. The others,
Even Newcastle no be small
Brentford,
team.
Leicester City, Brighton, Aston Villa, Burnley, Norwich. Now the teams they wait there for Tottenham Hotspur.
I'm not safe for the league. We don't say our playing times. No team small. You can lose against any team.
Yeah.
I know, but when
And
you
you can win
consider
against any team.
when you consider say these two that they fight for Champions League
League
spot.
spot.
Manchester United self more or less than they in the running. But they look at these two London clubs, they be saying normally their fights they always they very, very tight. Remember say again one time we say Arsenal they even complain, say they get food poisoning. No, not Tottenham, they get food poisoning. Based on say they won't qualify for Champions League, them and Harry Redknapp. So the rivalry between these two clubs, if you take them away, that's one day. But my point be say run of games to enter this fourth place, it is easier for Tottenham than Arsenal.
If you look the fixtures,
Yes.
but it go down to who need them most at the end of the day. Who need them most? No matter who they play against, who need them most? Now inspiration, Namura.
Yeah.
Namura, football they very, very. Just like say team when they find
They do,
delegation.
yeah.
Team when they find delegation.
yeah.
Team when they find delegation, like it go shock you. Say, I think one thing that Wigan happen. Wigan when they find delegation that time, where they face United, Arsenal, City, all of them, they beat all of them. Because they want to stay for the league. Now who get hard pass? And Arsenal have the team of the
now
heart.
who they hungry pass?
Please,
Okay.
thank you. Champions League go to show.
But Mo see as that running go because for me I still feel say Tottenham Hotspur get the easier draw apart from Liverpool where they are
I
big
go beat
names
Tottenham for their house.
where they go play
2-0.
Arsenal
shot,
get plenty wahala to face. They will play West Ham, they go play Man U, they go play Chelsea,
They no get wahala.
they go
Easy
play
route.
Newcastle.
Beat everybody.
Moku say I
The
go
only
go
big team
sha.
where you calling at Chelsea now. I go beat Man U beat Tottenham Hotspur.
Man U beat you this season. Oh.
Beat
For
Newcastle
their house.
join.
For their house, when they come and
Beat
Emirates.
Newcastle join.
Moku say as that one go.
Again, 3
Moving
goals
on,
ahead.
Niger Star Player of the Week. Moku Tana say Victor Osimhen scored 2 goals again. For weekend against Udinese, and you want to say now he don't score 11 goals for inside the Serie A, or more or less, yes, inside Italian Serie A, and him now don't they with the superstars from Africa. We don't score double digits goal, that is over 10 goals or at least 10 goals for 2 full body seasons. Talk about George Weah, Samuel Eto'o Fields, and also Mohamed Salah. Victor Osimhen don't join those league of Africans. We don't score 2 or more than 10 goals for 2 full body seasons. And Buchi Jovita say for Osimhen, fantastic form to take enter this World Cup qualifier.
Definitely, to add to them, are the only Nigerian who could score 10 goals consecutively, double figures for the Italian Serie A.
In 2 seasons.
And when you consider what happened this season, from the Wunjo wing getting shoulder injury to the coronavirus wahala, he was out for months, and now into the score goals. But so kind of time, he good football about the head. Emeka they talk something about say player get something screw for year. They see they play, but if you don't get Moreno will play. But no, see me right now, the way they play on Napoli, or tap. He calls it and calm down. Now why they play like say something they do. The boy they put in all everything. In get marks for his face. Till they not ball tomorrow no day. Don't score 4 goals. 3 of those goals are header. From that head, we says he get issue with. This now man, fantastic bowler. Automatically, my Nigeria player of the week, and also good time. Nigeria play against Ghana. 4 goals. This now hit form, and Ghana they must go.
And also, Sexy Joe, another player who say Nigeria invite, also invite the player King Kumi Amao. He's scoring first goal for Copenhagen. Good way for him to show form and also to announce, say, he won't play for the Super Eagles. He go give Chukwueze a fight for that shirt, especially when it comes to starting 11.
I go talk say she be just invite her come. We
Yeah,
never really see
first
the
night,
stuff.
this one go be in debut.
We never really see the
debut.
stuff where in they made of. So you got to wait for in time to,
But
to
he dey
take
score goals,
impress.
he dey score goals.
He dey score goals. I totally agree. But then it go still. We don't know how it go take fit into the plans where Coach Eguavon get. But fantastic one. What did the Totorimi be say every week in, week out, we dey hear of Nigerian players where they score goal, where they in top form. That one give us options for our national team. So that one Totorimi. But you go front, you go back. I was surprised. Say, Anna,
yeah, I scored for
exactly.
Champions League.
Now, I really pity this guy
For
because
Esperance.
after Shana 2 times where they invite him, maybe 3 times.
Never invite
Since that time,
again.
who they church Abasala, he go home and we never see him again. I hope say they go remember to invite him because this guy is a very good player. But all in all, I go for Victor Osimhen. You know, easy. Last weekend 2 goals. This weekend 2 goals. You know, he just like Buchi take talk at this point in time, especially this crucial World Cup qualifier where we get. For all our strikers to the day form like this, now very good one. All of them. They apart from Onnayuku Kelechi, we will never know whether they even see post or not. Yesterday missed plenty chances where he missed against Brentford. But then it totally me say a player like Osimhen, they in fantastic form. We know incapabilities. We know the way they take hustle. Anytime we say ball reaching hand in front of goal, they hustle for goals. So now fantastic one. I go give it to Osimhen. It's not easy. 2 goals last week, 2 goals again this weekend. Way pass. It's too much. Osimhen, Brugawa.
Too much for Victor Osimhen, and also the other players and we score now while like I talk for Esperance for inside their Continental Cup engagement. Also, Kingsley Duo self continuates in Sabine's form with the same club Esperance of Tunisia for inside that matter. My people now here we go to another full stop on top of the matter as it concerns yes Europe Alliance. Based on the matter for inside of Europe, the leagues them for abroad. We don't care to go give now. Remember, say you fit subscribe to our channel on top of YouTube, Football Republic NG. Now the channel name, yes, subscribe, and also the notification button. May you click them so that all our latest videos you're gonna get them on top Europe Alliance. Until Naija again next time, my people. May I do well. Na bye Gary, na bye rice.